Welcome to Project Cubicle. Today we're diving into one of the hottest and most futuristic careers out there, machine learning engineering. What does a machine learning engineer actually do? How much can you earn? And how do you even get started? Let's break it all down, step by step. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a branch of computer science and artificial intelligence. It uses algorithms to learn from data, kind of like how humans learn, and then improves over time. The goal? To create models that can predict and adapt to outcomes. Think facial recognition on your phone. Think Amazon suggesting your next favorite product. Think meta-targeting ads based on your likes. It's all powered by machine learning. What does a machine learning engineer do? Machine learning engineers are the brains behind the AI you use every day. They're responsible for designing, building, and maintaining ML systems. They work closely with data scientists, software developers, and engineers to bring AI to life. Their job includes implementing machine learning algorithms, running AI experiments and tests, performing statistical analysis, developing and improving learning systems. In short, they're critical to making artificial intelligence systems smarter and more reliable. Career outlook. Is it worth it? The demand for machine learning engineers is skyrocketing. According to the World Economic Forum, job openings in this field are expected to grow by 40% by 2027. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics says research jobs in computer science will grow 26% through 2033, and machine learning engineer made the top 10 jobs of Kaksi Tuhatta Kaksikymmentä Kolme on Indeed. If you want a future-proof career, this is it. Machine learning engineer salary. Let's talk numbers. As of January 2025, the average base salary for a machine learning engineer is $162,297 in the United States. Other roles in this space include data scientists, around $115,000, NLP scientists, about $118,000. Human-centered ML designers. Salaries vary, but the demand is growing fast. Even entry-level jobs in ML can lead to six-figure salaries over time. How to become a machine learning engineer. So, how do you get started? Here are the 3 essential steps. 1. Earn a bachelor's degree. Start with a degree in computer science, data science, or a related field like statistics. 2. Gain entry-level experience. Jump into the workforce in roles like software developer, data scientist, computer engineer. These positions give you hands-on experience with data and AI systems. 3. Build your ML expertise. Take online courses and certifications to gain real-world machine learning skills. Some top programs include Stanford and Deep Learning AI's Machine Learning Specialization, IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate, Microsoft AI and ML Engineering Certificate. These programs teach everything from supervised learning to deep neural networks. Global trends and talent gap. According to Ernst & Young, there's a real talent crisis in AI and machine learning. Analytics Insight reports a 66% global skills gap in AI. That means there are more jobs than skilled professionals to fill them. So, if you build these skills now, you're positioning yourself for long-term career success in a high-demand field. Conclusion. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your tech career, machine learning engineering is a path worth considering. High salary, explosive demand, cutting-edge technology, global job opportunities. Thanks for watching Project Cubicle. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more career guides and tech insights. Stay curious, stay learning, and we'll see you in the next one.